Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So today we're going to do something a little bit different and a little exciting. I've got my Microsoft Surface Duo. Hooray! Yay, it came in, and you might be wondering why it didn't get unboxed yesterday. Well, that's because I had something special planned for today. I am on my way to the local municipal airport, and we're going to unbox this sucker in a plane. Oh, cool. All right, so apparently, so we're out here getting ready to go out on the taxiway and take off. Is right here, ta-da, the fantastic plane that we're going to be using today. And a wonderful pilot, Addie, who's taking me up today. Ta-da. And now...
Batteries are free.
Super cool.
Check the flaps.
We're in the plane.
Lift the back.
Oh, now we have finally clearance to take off. Yeehaw. Let's do this.
Tires up. Airspeed's up. Engine instruments are
Alright, I guess I ate too much for lunch. Slowing us down. Alright, so now that we're here at about 1,200 feet, we'll go ahead and unbox the fancy Microsoft Surface Duo. Of course, you have to bear with me here a little bit because we are, flying around in a plane. So, first we have here on the outside, Microsoft Surface Duo. Some of the important things on the back here you might care about. Includes the Surface Duo. Of course, it's important you want the phone to be in the box. You got a power supply, bumper, LTE support, Advanced Pro Wi-Fi, 802.11c, and Bluetooth 5.0. It's running Android 10. So first we're going to go ahead and pull the pull tab here. So let's see if we can do this up here for a second.
You want me to hold, Osmo?
Try not to lose everything here. All right, got the pull tab. We'll go to wide view now, so we can see everything.
There, 0 Delta Romeo, frequency change approved.
Delta Romeo, good day.
Should have brought a trash bag. Hindsight is 2020. And the box is going to open one day. There we go. All right, the box is open. Put that there for 1 second. And all right, so here we have the Microsoft Surface Duo. Go ahead and flip this back to, there we go. Wrapped in plastic here is a sharp-looking phone. Of course, it's got a physical fingerprint sensor on the side. Got the volume rockers. Go ahead and take the plastic off. All right, and there we go. Ta-da! So USB-C charger on the bottom. You got this fancy hinge, which is something that Microsoft is known for with their Surface devices. You got the window logo. It's definitely a thin device, so whenever it's folded up like this, it's basically about the same thickness as a Note 20 Ultra. And fold it here, you can see it's super crazy thin. And we got the little plastic on the inside here too. Let me go ahead and hit the power button. It's hard to do this one-handed. Alright, there we go. Android 10. So I was wrong. The fingerprint sensor is separate from the power button. Ta-da! Alright, it's on, hello, all that good stuff. Let's set this off to the side and see what else is in the box. Inside the box here, got a cardboard insert, Surface Duo bumper. Alright, so this is the special bumper that goes on the outside of the phone. I'll have some more footage on this later. I cannot do this and put it on there one-handed. Sorry, it's just not going to happen. And then we have the power brick. We got an interesting power brick here. It looks like a smaller version of the one on the regular Microsoft Surface. The prongs come down. And there with the box. Documentation, we have our SIM ejector tool. Don't think I'll be putting the SIM card in this right now. I'll wait until we get on the ground, but there's your paperwork and all that good stuff. And then the last thing we have to look at inside the box. So ta-da, here we have our power cable, USB-C to USB-C with little paper wrappings on it so that we can go ahead and charge it once we get a chance. So that's all for the unboxing portion. We'll come back in a minute, look at the phone, and have some fun with it. But right now, we get back to the whole flying thing. All right, so talk about fun. That was an interesting experience. It's actually the very first time that I've ever flown in a private plane like that. So the stars aligned, and it was a good opportunity. And I think I'm gonna go back and get some more hours later because it was a really good time. But so unboxing a Microsoft Surface Duo way up there in the sky was definitely an interesting experience. I know it's not quite the same level and caliber of my normal unboxing video, but I thought you would enjoy it. It was enjoyable for me. It was fun, and I totally had a blast. And now I'm going to get to work on checking out this phone so I can get some more impressions of it. But of course, yes, there are a lot of impression videos out there. There are a lot of concerns that people have, especially and rightfully so, at $1,300, $1,400 for one of these guys. But it's a neat little device. 2 screens, Snapdragon 855, 6 gigs of RAM, and the really cool hinge. So there's a lot of cool things going on in this device, and I can't wait to check it out and get back and get y'all guys a video on what I think about it. So that's all I've got. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was something exciting and out of the ordinary for you guys as well, and it was a fun adventure. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments about the Surface Duo, please let me know so I can answer them while I'm testing it out. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you guys next time.